everyone, I am Margie Martija, a trainee from Cookery NCII under Miss Arlene B. Ocampo. Today, I'll be presenting to you the tools and utensils used in the kitchen. So, let's begin. First one, this is a kitchen knife or also called as chef knife. It can be used for slicing and cutting. Next one, a boning knife. It is used to remove the fish bones. And it is also used when you are gonna do fish fillet. Next, this is an oyster knife. It is used when you are opening the shell of the oyster. Next one, this is a clever knife. As you can see, it is larger than the previous knives I presented to you. It is used for those meats who have larger bones, and you can also see this in the market that is used by the butchers. Next, this is a meat tenderizer. It is used to tenderize meat, or it is also used to crush the garlic easily. Next one, this is a kitchen scissor. It is used to remove the fins of the fish or when you are cleaning the fish. Next one, this is a carving fork. As you can see, this is a large one, and also we have a smaller version of it, which is the kitchen fork. Both are used when you are about to curve a fruit or when you are about to look if the meat is already tender. Next one, the slotted spoon. As you can see, there are holes in it. So, it is used to check if the meat is already tender, and those holes are used to drain the soup of the meat. Next one, kitchen spoon. It is used when you are about to stir or when you are about to cook a certain dish. It has no holes. Next, this is a wooden spoon. It is usually used when you are cooking vegetables so as not to be crushed. Next one, a metal turner, or commonly known as sanse. It is used when you are frying a certain dish. Next one, the spatula. It is usually used when you are making pastries. It can also be used when you are spreading mayonnaise on a certain bread. Next one, a soup ladle. As you can see, it is thicker. It is used when you are about to scoop a soup in a certain casserole. Next one, a rubber scraper. It is usually used when you are baking or when you are about to flatten the icing of the cake. Next one, we also have here the wire whisk. It is used to stir a solid or liquid ingredients on a mixing bowl. Next one, tongs. It is used when you are frying or grilling. Next one, we also have here meat slicer. Next, we also have here the pocket thermometer. It is called pocket thermometer because you can bring it anywhere. You can put it on your pocket. So, it is used to check the temperature of a certain dish. Next one, the salt and pepper mill. And we also have here the measuring spoon. It is used to measure the ingredients of a solid or liquid ingredient. The perfect amount. Also, we have here larger one, which is called measuring cup. We also have here can opener. It can also be used as bottle opener. You can see this one. We also have here an apple corer. Okay, it is used like this to easily remove the seeds of the apple. We also have here zester. Can be used when you are making buko salad. Or we also have here Parisian or the melon bowler. You can scoop the melon and then it will be formed in a circle. We also have here peeler. And we also have here ice cream scoop. Okay. Next, we also have here serving spoon. Can usually be seen in a catering, or you can also use this as a serving spoon in your house in a certain bagel. It is larger than a common spoon. Okay, let's proceed with the strainer. So we have here different kinds of strainer, but they also have their own different names. So let's proceed with the larger one. Okay, as you can see, it is a cone-like and there are holes on it. So this is called strainer chinois. It is used when you're about to strain and scoop those meats and check if they are already tender. So this is it is what it looks like. It can be used for buffet servings when you are cooking a large amount of dish. Next, we also have here the spider skimmer. It looks like a web of a spider, so it is called a spider skimmer. Next, we also have here the wire skimmer. As you can see, it is called a wire skimmer because it is like a wire. Okay. It can be used when you are frying a certain meat or a certain dish, and then you're about to strain those oils that are on it. Next, we also have here a strainer. The usual strainer that can be seen in our house. And lastly, the fine skimmer. It is called fine skimmer because the holes on it are so fine than the regular strainer. Okay? So now, let's proceed with those utensils or tools that can be used when we are about to marinate or when we are about to bake a certain pastry. Okay, this is called a fish poacher. This is a medium size. It is usually called or known as a regular Tupperware that can be seen in our house. Okay, it is used when you are marinating a fish. We also have here utility tray that is stainless. It is also known as serving tray. You can see this in a cafeteria or in the hospital. So, next, this is a baking tray. It is different from the utility tray because it has the edge on it, and it is deeper than the utility tray. This is a baking tray. This is where we can bake pastries, cupcakes, or other foods that can be baked. Okay, this is a roasting pan. As you can observe, this is deeper than the baking pan. We can use this when we are about to roast a chicken or when we are about to roast a certain meat. Next, this one, a braising pan. So, we can also use this when we are about to roast a certain meat. However, this is not deeper than the roasting pan. This is just the difference, their size and how deep they are. Okay, we also have here the measuring urn. It is like a pitcher. It is different from the measuring cup. We can measure here our liquid ingredients. Okay, next, we also have here funnel. It can also be seen in our house, but it is used to the liquid and solid ingredients for it not to be spilled. Next one, we also have here a pan. Actually, this is not a non-sticky pan. It is called paellera. It is where we can put our paella or we can cook our paella. Of course, if we have those, we still have those larger ones. Okay. This is called in Tagalog sapitan, or those larger than the strainer. It is called colander. You can strain here the vegetables and the fruits to filter the fruits from the liquid. We also have here the non-sticky pan. Okay, next one, we have here double boiler. When you're about to boil 2 dishes at a time, at the same time. It is like a casserole. Okay, so put it here, and then like that. We also have here the blender, and also have here the meat chopper. Okay, it's like an egg. It is used to find texture of the meat. Of course, if we do have those tools and utensils that can be used in cooking, we also have those equipments or tools that can be used when we are about to begin our cooking show or our cooking class. Of course, we need to maintain cleanliness. So, we also have here the liquid soap dispenser. Of course, it is important to wash your hands. And this is a tissue paper dispenser. Those tissue papers that will be put on it is not the usual tissue paper. There is a small size, but those are tissue papers that have larger size. Okay. So now we are done with the presentation of the tools and utensils that can be used in our kitchen. So I hope that you've learned from me today. Again, I am Margie Martija, a trainee from Cookery NCII under Miss Arlene B. Ocampo. Thank you and have a good day.